it's me, Kimmy Boutiki. Hey guys, it's Kimmy Boutiki here. Mwah! Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for sitting in with us today. You're gonna go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, that little bell next to it, so that you are notified of every single upload. Yeah, and don't be stingy with those thumbs up, okay? So give me a thumbs up now or later, up to you. When let me know that you like this video and you want to see more like this one, okay, guys? So today I am going to show you all the products that I recently purchased because of you YouTubers, okay? All you YouTubers talking hella crazy about all these products for all these months. I finally gave in. I saved up a little coins, and I was like, let me pick up a few of these products. Let's see what all this damn hype is about. Until some of these companies start sending me stuff complimentary, chances are it's very rare you're going to see something like literally just launched, unless I specifically something anticipated personally by me, not by the world. It has to be anticipated by me, and something I feel like I really have to have. These are products from brands that were recommended to me based off of all the YouTube that I watch from all these lovely ladies on here. So without further ado, let's get started. So YouTube made me buy it. YouTube pretty much makes me buy most of the things that I own in the beauty department. So let's get started on that. I have the new Fenty Beauty, well, it's not that new anymore, but I have the foundation and I have the primer. I know I'm late to the party, but I don't always buy things when they first come out because I kind of want to see like what's the consensus around across the board. Are people really liking it? I am going to moisturize my face. I did buy those products from Sephora, so I did receive a Clinique Moisture Surge moisturizer, and I'm going to put this on first, and it feels super lightweight. Ooh, that is moisturizing. Alright, let that soak into the skin like seasoning. Yeah, so I'm going to do my brows and my eyes off camera, and I will be back. Let's use the Rihanna Filter Primer. Why do you call it Rihanna? It's Fenty Beauty Primer. Ooh, nice heavy glass bottle. Let's get it going. Yeah, ooh, and it's pink. How freaking cute is that the product itself is actually pink? Let me show you guys the bottle. Zoom in. Ooh, okay. It feels thick, but not too thick. Not like, oh my god, what is this thickness I'm putting on my face? It feels like a perfect thickness. And now I got the foundation in the color 310. As you can see, I have vitiligo. I have lots and lots of beautiful freckles. And I do have some pigment. I don't know. I just have this darkness around my mouth that I cannot stand. Yeah, let's hope. Ooh, it is running. Ooh. I'm going to put 1.5 pumps for now. And this is the color 310. Half a pump here. Gently go around the brows, because you already know you do your brows and then your brows be disappearing when you put your foundation on. You guys can still see my freckles, right? It definitely doesn't even feel like you need to set it. It feels really, really like it's already set. We'll just put another drop there. I didn't even pump it. That was just whatever was on the bottle. A little bit extra here. I like that I can still see my freckles, but I really thought this was supposed to be full coverage. So I'm going to put a little bit more there and see if we could cover up these freckles. Everybody's been raving about these ColourPop concealers, and you know what? $6. Good girl, I had to give it a try though. Yes. Let's do a little concealing under these eyes. I'm using number 30, medium 30. Blender. We'll start on the side we started on and blend away. going to pinch it and just get up in that corner right there. I don't know why that corner there is so freaking dark. That blended out beautifully. So just mix my banana powder with the translucent powder from the drugstore, the Maybelline brand. And I'm just going to wipe away any extra, because I don't need to bake. Even though it feels good, like it doesn't feel like it's dry, but I feel like I look super dry like a desert. Let me go over with some face color powder. This is the Makeup Forever powder, the Pro Finish powder, and this is in the color 163. But I just want to bring a little bit color back into my skin. Now I am going to use my brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer, and this is in the color Saddle, and I'm going to use that same big fluffy brush up into the hairline. Yes, snatch that face though. This is blending seamlessly, like, ooh. Guys, do you see that color coming back to my skin? Oh my gosh. I really love this. This right here is the truth. Ooh. And I feel like it's so natural. Wow. Okay. Okay, Anastasia, like, you just trying to get a girl to spend all her money. Like, the fuck? I didn't buy a new blush. That I didn't do. I've actually been wearing this one a lot. The one that came in my BoxyCharm box. The Make Them Blush by Pretty Vulgar. I've been wearing this one a lot. I'm actually going to take a tapered face brush for this one. I've actually been really, really liking this blush. Like, yes. This is so freaking pretty. I can't even deal with myself right now. And I'm going to follow that up with the Anastasia Amreazy highlighter. Beauty blender for this. Let's pick up a little product with the beauty blender. And yes. I'm just using the part of the beauty blender that I didn't have any product on it. And, ooh, what? Mother, you better shut your mouth. Oh. Like, wow. I'm just going to squeeze it. It's a beauty blender. You can do what you want. And put a little bit under the brow. And I'm going to connect it there. Wow. Do you guys see that encasement of glue right there? Do you, like, better like, bitch, weird. And there's still some product on here. I'm just going to... Yes. Woo! I just dabbed a little bit more. A little bit on the chin. And whatever's left, I'm just going to take it up into here. You know, a little bit on the forehead. Never hurt no motherfucking body. As if I ain't put on the products. But I have something special in this box. Listen, when I order from expensive products, I always do gift wrapping if it's free. So Saks offers free gift wrapping. And I put a little special note for myself saying, here you are, KimmyBoutiki. You deserve this for all your hard work in life and being a good mom and being a good person. So I be gifting myself, girl. Here is the Lancome powder that Jaclyn Hill used in her glowy routine. And I'm going to take this dual fiber brush. Let's see if this makes me glow. Because I know you can see the glow here, but is it going to make me glow everywhere? Like, it's supposed to be a really good. I know I'm not using it how she used it, but I'm nervous. Like, am I going to look crazy? But I just wanted to put it on a little bit to see if it makes my face glowy all over. I don't know. Maybe I do need to use it the way she said to use it. Guys, when I tell you I'm nervous right now, like I'm nervous. I have a clean beauty blender right here. She just takes it. You see I put the powder on here and just get the excess off and just press it into the skin. Oh, Jacqueline, don't fail me now, Jacqueline. Don't fail me now, child. And roll it into the skin. And I'm just pressing and rolling, pressing and rolling. That is nice. This powder is really nice. This is the color Acrue Light. Radiant Smoothing Powder. Yeah. I'm going to finish the eyes and I'll be right back. Okay. For the finale, I have these new Ellarie Colourpop pencils. Pencils. Oh my god. One is a lip gloss and one is a lip paint. So I did get this red one. It's Remsen. I did get the Remsen. I will swatch it, but I'm not going to use it. And I did get the Netta lip gloss from Ellarie. Look at that. Oh, so happy to be able to support my fellow YouTubers in this YouTube universe. So here we go. Let's see if this is enough pigment for me. I didn't dip back in. This is hella pigmented, like, and it's super natural and it's super duper pretty and it goes really well with this look. It still has a little bit of a pink in it, but it's more like a brown nudie pink. Can't have too many nude brownie nude pinks. Yeah, Ellarie, congratulations. It looks really, really good. And I'm happy I picked it up. I love you wherever you are. I hope you're feeling amazing, fabulous, wonderful, aka Boutiki. And I will see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.